I'm Dr. Eddie Roos. I'm the past owner of Cosmetic Elegance Clinic. I now work as a contractor in my old practice and have the role as sort of like being the medical director at Cosmetic Elegance Clinic. Partnering with Aura has really given me a lot more time to do things that I like to do. The stress of running a practice and a small business has got an impact on how you feel, and now not having to worry about all of those stresses actually sets you free to actually do some other things. And it actually has been nice because you go home and you don't talk about the practice and all the issues at work. You go home and you can spend some time with your family that you're not stressed about what's happening at work. I still run my practice, or my contribution in the practice is still as if it is my own practice, but at least I'm not ultimately responsible for everything that needs to happen in the practice. My advice is don't be afraid. It's the unknown when you actually don't own your practice, and especially for some of us who's owned practices for 10, 15, 20 years, you think it's going to be hard not being in control. It actually is quite good not to be in control, and don't be afraid of the unknown. Take the bold step and talk to the people. They are a nice group of people to work with and very professional in the way that they approach the whole process, and it will change your life for a start, or at least at the end of the process you would be able to do what you like doing, and that is seeing patients, and don't have to worry about the admin and other tasks that we as doctors don't like doing. I chose to partner with Aura Medical Group because they were very professional. I've been approached in the past by a few other companies who wanted to buy my practice, and Aura has been more professional. I believe that they've got the right idea, being a doctor-led clinic, and I just felt good when I sort of talked to them, much better than some of the other companies that approached me before. The staff and employed doctors, I think, has handled the change quite well. Initially, when they were informed that we were thinking of selling the practice, they were concerned. They were worried about the fact that things are going to change, and felt a little bit uncertain. The whole process was done really well. We notified them, we introduced them to the team from Aura that came up to come and visit. They were still a little bit hesitant and dubious about how it's going to be. And talking to them afterwards, they said nothing's really changed. Afterwards, it's sort of like a sense of calm that it's all over, and we've achieved it. And although it's intimidating, I think I've learned a lot about the practice during the process, and it's just a great feeling to know that I'm not responsible for everybody in the practice.